In this video, we're going to add a file to Cyberduck. So first what we do is we download Cyberduck either from Mac or Microsoft. Once you've downloaded the files properly, you're going to go back into your BigCommerce store and you're going to go to Server Settings, File Access WebDav. Here we'll give you the information for accessing your Cyberduck store. So first off, let's take the URL link for your store. So you're going to enter it in here in Server. Next, we're going to take your username. And then finally, we're going to copy and paste the password in. Then we're going to connect to your store. So once we connect into your store, you can see you've got a few files here. And all content, images, and PDFs go into your content folder. So what we'll do is we'll go into the content folder. I created an image folder already. So what we can do is actually we can add an image to this folder. So what we'll do is we'll add this image here. So what we do is drag it down and drag and drop it into the folder. Press clean up. And then we'll get our image dropped in here. So next what we do is we copy the image URL link. So we take the second one as the first one is behind a password. Next what I'll do is I'll go into a product and I'll add this link into the product. So let's take this product here. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the text of the product and we're going to select an area or a word and we're going to insert the link. Okay. Save. Once that's saved, we can view our product on the storefront. We can see that the word that we hyperlinked is here. Once we click on this, we'll see that our image is added. You can also do this for PDFs.